Imagine heading deep into the wilderness without a car, without a huge RV, and without towing a heavy trailer. What you're looking at is a remarkable combination of a recumbent tricycle and a fully enclosed micro-camper, designed for people who want freedom, adventure, and minimalist living in one compact package. At first glance, it almost looks like something from the future, but every part of this design serves a practical purpose. The front section is a recumbent pedal-powered trike. Unlike a traditional bicycle where the rider sits upright, the rider here sits in a laid-back position with the legs stretched forward. This riding posture reduces strain on the back, neck, and wrists during long journeys. The lower center of gravity also improves stability, making it easier to handle while carrying the camper behind. Attached to the rear is a tiny teardrop-style camper shell built specifically for lightweight travel. The curved aluminum exterior immediately stands out. The rounded shape is not just attractive, it also improves aerodynamics by allowing air to flow smoothly around the structure. When traveling long distances, reducing wind resistance becomes extremely important because every bit of energy saved means easier pedaling and greater range. The camper appears to be constructed with ribbed aluminum panels, a material commonly used in lightweight travel trailers. Aluminum offers several advantages. It is corrosion resistant, durable in changing weather conditions, and significantly lighter than steel. Since weight is the biggest challenge for pedal-powered campers, lightweight construction is essential. One of the most eye-catching features is the dramatic curved roofline. The camper rises above the rider and then curves down toward the rear. This design creates enough internal volume for sleeping while maintaining a compact footprint. Despite its small size, the interior can provide a surprisingly comfortable shelter for one person. Mounted on top is a large rooftop cargo box. This additional storage compartment increases carrying capacity without taking up valuable living space inside the camper. Outdoor gear, clothing, tools, food supplies, and camping equipment can all be stored overhead. For long-distance touring, extra storage is often the difference between a comfortable adventure and a difficult one. The side awning extends outward to create a shaded outdoor living area. This feature dramatically expands usable space once the camper is parked. Instead of being confined to the small interior, the traveler gains an outdoor room where they can cook, relax, work, or simply enjoy nature while remaining protected from direct sunlight and light rain. Under the awning, you can see a lightweight camping chair and a small folding table. These accessories transform the campsite into a comfortable outdoor lounge. For many travelers, the real living area isn't inside the camper at all. It's under the awning where fresh air and scenic views become part of everyday life. The environment shown in the image perfectly demonstrates the intended purpose of this vehicle. Surrounded by dense evergreen forests and positioned beside a rugged mountain road, this setup is clearly designed for exploration and off-grid adventure. It allows travelers to access remote locations that may be difficult for larger RVs or trailers to reach. The front wheel and tire setup appears optimized for mixed terrain travel. The larger tire size provides improved traction and comfort on gravel roads, dirt paths, and uneven surfaces. Wider tires also help absorb vibrations that would otherwise make long-distance travel uncomfortable. The steering system extends toward the rider through long control arms. This configuration is common in recumbent trikes because it provides responsive handling while maintaining a relaxed riding position. The rider can travel for extended periods without experiencing the fatigue often associated with conventional bicycles. One of the biggest advantages of a camper like this is independence. Traditional RV owners must constantly think about fuel costs, parking fees, campground restrictions, and vehicle maintenance. A pedal-powered camper eliminates many of these concerns. The primary source of energy comes from the rider, creating an incredibly low-cost travel experience. Another important benefit is environmental sustainability. Because the vehicle relies primarily on human power, its environmental footprint is dramatically smaller than gasoline or diesel-powered campers. Travelers can enjoy nature while minimizing their impact on it. Inside the camper, the space would likely be organized around a compact sleeping platform. The interior is designed to maximize every inch of available room. During the day, the area can be used for storage and shelter. At night, it becomes a cozy sleeping space protected from wind, rain, insects, and cold temperatures. Small windows positioned around the camper provide natural light and ventilation. Proper airflow is essential in compact living environments because it helps control condensation and maintains comfort during overnight stays. Even a small window can significantly improve the feeling of spaciousness inside a tiny camper. The camper's curved design also contributes to structural strength. Similar to an eggshell, curved surfaces distribute loads efficiently. This allows builders to create a durable structure while using less material and keeping overall weight low. Travelers using a setup like this often embrace a minimalist lifestyle. Space limitations encourage careful selection of possessions. Every item carried must justify its weight and usefulness. As a result, owners typically become highly efficient in organizing gear, food, clothing, and camping equipment. The appeal of this type of micro-camper extends beyond camping enthusiasts. It also attracts people interested in alternative transportation, sustainable living, tiny homes, and long-distance bicycle touring. For some, it represents a practical travel solution. For others, it symbolizes freedom from traditional living arrangements and dependence on large vehicles. Weather protection is another major advantage. Unlike tent camping, where occupants remain vulnerable to heavy rain, strong winds, and muddy ground conditions, the enclosed camper provides a solid protective shell. After a long day of riding, having a dry, secure place to rest can dramatically improve the travel experience. The rooftop cargo box further enhances versatility. During extended expeditions, carrying capacity becomes critical. Food supplies, extra clothing, camera equipment, repair tools, and emergency gear all require space. By utilizing the roof area, the designer increases storage without sacrificing interior comfort. The awning system adds another layer of practicality. During hot summer days, shaded outdoor space becomes invaluable. Travelers can prepare meals, read, work on a laptop, or simply relax without being exposed to direct sunlight. In light rain, the awning continues to provide usable outdoor space while keeping gear dry. Looking closely at the overall proportions, it's clear that the designer carefully balanced weight distribution. Too much weight behind the axle would negatively affect handling. Too much weight forward would make steering difficult. Proper balance ensures stable travel and safer operation on varying terrain. The compact size offers another major advantage: accessibility. Large RVs are often restricted by road width, parking availability, and campsite size. A micro-camper like this can fit into far smaller spaces, opening opportunities for exploration that would be impossible with conventional recreational vehicles. For adventure travelers, this setup represents a unique blend of transportation and accommodation. Instead of driving to a destination and then setting up camp, the vehicle itself becomes both the journey and the shelter. Every mile traveled contributes directly to the experience. The image perfectly captures the growing trend toward ultralight, self-sufficient travel. Rather than relying on expensive motorhomes costing tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, innovative builders are proving that comfort and adventure can exist in much smaller, simpler, and more affordable packages. What makes this camper truly fascinating is not just its unusual appearance but the philosophy behind it. It embodies freedom, efficiency, sustainability, and creativity. It demonstrates how thoughtful design can transform a simple pedal-powered tricycle into a fully functional mobile shelter capable of supporting real-world adventures in some of the most beautiful natural environments imaginable. As the sun sets over the forest and the road disappears into the mountains, this tiny camper becomes more than a vehicle. It becomes a portable home, an exploration machine, and a symbol of a lifestyle centered on mobility, simplicity, and the desire to experience the world at a slower, more meaningful pace.